Is RDDT stock a buy? 2nd of April and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm answering that and giving you my Reddit stock analysis and price predictions. Number one thing in the list, I'm actually quite bullish only if the price gives me the rules, and this is how my overall technical analysis is going to look like, and I'm definitely going to keep you updated for right now. But before I get into the details, just to give you context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you all of this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So, first things first, like in here, I was also waiting for like a double break, but never got it for me to really trying to take this thing higher. And honestly speaking, if the price starts giving me double breaks here, like something like this, then pulls back and breaks again, this could be a start of something beautiful. But honestly speaking, just from like discretion and just from honest like experience, that's not gonna be it. Like for me to really be bullish, the price will need to start breaking above some points here. But for right now, yeah, I'm surely just gonna observe. I'm not gonna put any predictions here just because the price is just really nowhere, and just it is just trying to set its structure. We don't have that much data neither. So surely gonna keep you updated. For a lot more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.